How's it going, everyone? Nick here, and welcome to Crypto Today, where I go over the top crypto news of the day. In today's show, we have 4 topics relating to cryptocurrency, the first being Dogecoin reclaiming its spot as the 4th most valuable cryptocurrency after Elon Musk fueled speculation Tesla could accept it as a payment. Next, we have Ethereum news. Ethereum, the world's 2nd largest cryptocurrency, soars above $4,000 for the very first time. Then we have legendary investor Stanley Druckenmiller. The US dollar will lose world reserve currency status. And then finally, we have Palantir. Palantir CFO says company is considering holding Bitcoin on its balance sheet. All right, let's dive right into it. We're going to go over the Dogecoin reclaiming the spot as the 4th most valuable cryptocurrency. So Tuesday, May 11th, Dogecoin reclaimed its spot as the 4th most valuable cryptocurrency after Tesla CEO Elon Musk came out and said he might actually accept Dogecoin as payment for Tesla. Now, he's obviously been in the news a bunch with Dogecoin, with SNL, among other things. And as you all probably know, Tesla already accepts Bitcoin as a valid form of payment for their cars. Now, should Tesla actually come out and say they will be accepting Dogecoin, I expect Dogecoin price to rise drastically. This would mark a single point where Dogecoin is a legitimate currency. Now, Dogecoin did lose a bit of value from its all-time high around 70 to 80 cents a Dogecoin after Elon Musk was on SNL and said Dogecoin's just a bit of a hustle. So here are some key facts around this Dogecoin Elon Musk story. In the span of an hour, the billionaire's tweet garnered over 1 million responses, with nearly 80% of people supporting the idea of Dogecoin in a poll. And the price of Dogecoin nearly rose 14%, around 53 cents a coin. Now, as I said before, this is down from the all-time high of 73 cents per coin prior to the Elon Musk Saturday Night Live appearance. Now, this short rally of Dogecoin took the market cap of Dogecoin to over $68 billion. This makes Dogecoin surpassing XRP as the 4th most valuable crypto. Now, just a little tangent, as I was alluding to earlier, Tesla now does accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. Now, this was a little bit controversial, as Tesla did invest about $1.5 billion into Bitcoin. There also was reports that Tesla started dumping a large portion of their Bitcoin holdings after the massive spike. Anyway, I'm sure we will hear more about Dogecoin and Elon Musk, but now let's move on to the second story, Ethereum at $4,000 a coin. Okay, so Ether, or Ethereum, the world's 2nd largest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin, is now priced around $4,100 to $4,200 a coin. This is up nearly 7%. Now, obviously, Ethereum has always been kind of in Bitcoin's shadow. It's always been the little brother to Bitcoin, but it is gaining some great traction. Now, Ether, or Ethereum, is the digital token of the blockchain. Ethereum now has a total market value of $483 billion. Now, that's a bit less than half of Bitcoin's $1.09 trillion. Now, as of today, Ethereum has been up about 8%, while Bitcoin has only been up 1%. So Ethereum is seeing a great rise compared to other cryptocurrencies. Again, just to reiterate the drastic rise of Ethereum, in the month of April alone, Ethereum rose about 40%, while Bitcoin fell about 2%. Now, the entire crypto market cap is about $2.5 trillion, and Bitcoin owns a large portion of that. Now, Bitcoin and Ethereum have been going a bit mainstream. Normal investors such as Berkshire Hathaway, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, they're all starting to buy up these cryptocurrencies. Now, some people still aren't buying this crypto craze, the crypto bubble. Everyone is saying that this might crash in the near future. Now, crashes have happened in the past, and it's kind of the pattern for these cryptocurrencies. We saw it with Bitcoin in the mid-2010s and even earlier. Every time there's a huge parabolic rise like this, there always is a crash afterwards. Again, for those of you that don't know, when we're talking Ethereum, we're really talking the backbone of the blockchain. The blockchain is able to track transactions, keep a ledger of all transactions, so you can track purchases, among other things. The super popular NFTs out in the world right now, basically all of that is built on Ethereum and the blockchain. Now, this rise in NFTs and Ethereum transactions actually is taking a toll on the Ethereum network. So what we call gas fees, or the fees when a transaction happens on the Ethereum blockchain, those have actually been going higher because of this congestion. Now there is upgrades being done to the Ethereum network, so hopefully fees will go down in the near future. Okay, now let's move on from Ethereum. We're gonna discuss Bitcoin possibly replacing the US dollar. So a legendary investor, Stanley Drunken Miller, went on CNBC's Squawk Box and basically said that he believes Bitcoin should replace the US dollar. He said he's comfortable with the US dollar losing its reserve currency status. Now, I won't go into the gory details just because I'm not an economics master or expert, but I will say that his argument is basically that further down the line, as the US dollar becomes more regulated, inflation goes higher, and the Fed is altering it more, that everyone will start moving away from the Federal Reserve, looking for other currencies such as Bitcoin. And as you all know, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are all decentralized, so one entity like the Federal Reserve does not own it. He cites public debt, among other things, as an issue for the US dollar. Okay, and last but not least, and this might be my favorite piece of news for today, Palantir CFO says they might start holding Bitcoin on their balance sheet. Now, if you don't know who Palantir is as a company, go click this video, watch it real quick. I'm sure you'll know what it is after that video. But they said in their first quarter earnings call that they might start keeping Bitcoin on their balance sheet as an asset. Now, Palantir also accepts Bitcoin as a form of payment currently. Palantir is a software company. They do a lot of big data analytics, AI, stuff like that. Most of their customers are the federal government, but they do have some commercial sector clients as well. Now, their CFO recently said that Bitcoin is definitely on the table as an asset for their balance sheet. Now, this comes as companies such as Tesla, among others, are starting to really look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, other cryptos as a legitimate form of payment and money source. So Palantir's finances, just so you get an idea, is their balance sheet is around $2.3 billion of cash at quarter's end, including $151 million in adjusted cash for quarter one. Meaning they've got a lot of cash and they can put it somewhere. So why not Bitcoin, right? Now I'm sure they'll have continuing discussions whether or not they want to purchase a chunk of Bitcoin or Ethereum. I do think a lot of these companies like Palantir might shy away from the idea just this moment because of the drastic rise we've seen. I guarantee you if there were to be a crypto crash, a crash in the crypto markets, that a bunch of companies would then jump in at the low point. Again, other companies such as Tesla and MicroStrategy, a Virginia-based enterprise software company, were early movers in this movement to buy up Bitcoin and other cryptos as an investment. Now I'm curious, what do you all think about these 4 stories down below in the comments? Be sure to let me know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos about crypto. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.